Hey everybody, David and Ariana here. Realtors with Royal LePage signature.
Didn't start with a laugh today.
Ooh.
Trying to stay more serious.
And I will continue to try to talk a little slower than usual and try to enunciate my words more often. Alright, so welcome back. We have another Fast Talk Friday. Again, Ariana and I like to, on Fridays, just talk about some real estate topics you may or may not come across. So it's a little more of an informal kind of, not a lecture, but a little, just some information, I guess. Yeah.
Sometimes it's a story. Sometimes we have tips.
Sometimes it's funny, sometimes not so much. We think everything's funny, but that's us. Okay, so today's topic is?
To buy or to build? The big question that we keep hearing over and over.
It's a big topic, and I have a lot of investor clients too, and they're thinking like, oh, do we buy now and try to flip? The one, if you're looking to flip in this type of market, I don't know if you noticed, so we really have low inventory still, and even on crappy houses, we're seeing old,
rundown,
non-livable. I saw one. Remember the one we walked through with all the mouse traps and stuff in it? And that thing sold for like $2.5 million. Like, yeah, it was like these houses are like, some of them are just terrible, and they're getting like crazy amount of offers on them. So what I say to my builder clients is like, that's eating into your margins. You might not be able to make money. Even your builders, like if you're a bigger outfit and you can, spread over a number of houses and knock them down, make 2 or 3 houses at one point, maybe you might be able to make money. But for the average person, no. So that's what we're saying. Would you buy or build in this market?
Personally, I would buy. I'd want it turnkey because you don't know how long renovations are going to take. There have definitely been delays with building, especially with COVID. Prices of materials have been going up. You might decide to build now, but by the time you get your permits in 6 months or a year, who knows how much materials will be by that time. So.
If you're lucky to get your permit in 6 to 8 months. Like here in the city of Toronto, we're noticing things are just, they're bombarded, we understand, with COVID too. Like it's taking much longer. So let's scale it back a little bit. The way that we used to do, some of my clients have done before, and Natalie and my wife and I were going to do, was, buy a house, which we liked a lot, which had a house on there which was livable.
Yeah.
We were going to rent it out for, say, a year. In that time, you get your permits, maybe a year and a half, get your contractor on there, figure out materials. Well, now, and then you were supposed to buy it at a bottom price because it was a crappy house.
Yeah.
Now that's all changed. Yeah, so we're noticing, the prices of those crappy houses are going for crazy high prices, bidding war, so you're not really saving money on that. Permits are taking longer. We don't know the price of building materials is like gone skyrocketing. We don't know if that's going to end. Maybe hopefully when COVID ends, if it ever ends, whatever is going to happen, like are those prices going to come back down? I don't know. And contractors right now, holy crap, it's hard to get them thinned down. And anyway, my point is like, I think that and I agree with Ariana, if you find a property which is like in your budget, what you like, which you were thinking you were to spend on building your own home, you don't get exactly what you're looking for, but you can modify it over a couple of years and make it your own. Take your time.
Yeah.
So, our personal opinion, if you're looking to buy or build, unless you have the time and a lot of resources, we suggest you buy as opposed to build and buy and build.
Yeah, agreed.